Welcome friends to this video. Today we're talking about Base4 app software. So friends, this is a AI software. You can build fully functional app in just 1 minute, just one word, no coding necessary. As you can see here guys, you can build your apps. You have the gaming platform also. You have trusted by 3000k users, and you can create speed app easily without any problems. You can turn your idea like users, you can saving their data, and you can create based taking care. This is the dashboard guys. You have app category, you can create app category, CRM and productivity and education and content generation and personal finance, health. All this one you can create this app. For example, CRM, you can choose any idea from CRM, for example this one, real estate, and you can start build your app from here. So guys, as you can see here, the app looks, dashboard looks like clean and super fast, as you can see here. So this is, you can build app as I say. You have affiliate program on this website. So friends, I hope this video review helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. If you want to create app, just click create new app from here, and you can start building your app easily without any problem.